Seika. 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 Chika chika. Hello viewers, this is me again, Seika. Watch me listen to my favorite fable as usual. Oh, bakit tabing Oh. The Crab and the Fox. There was... Ano ba yan, Seika? O, tingnan mo na may itsura ni Seika. There was once a crab who lived in a rock pool at the seashore. Wait, babali ang liig mo But he grew bored and restless, seeing the same surroundings all the time. Bakit? He wanted a change of scenery. So he left the beach and went inland, scurrying sideways. There he found a meadow which he thought looked beautiful, lush and green, and filled with flowers. He settled there, hoping it would be a good place to live. But soon a hungry fox came along and caught the crab. The fox had never seen a crab before and thought he smelled delicious. Just as he was going to be eaten up, the crab said, "This is what I deserve, for I had no business to leave my natural home by the sea and settle here as though I belong to the land. Be content with your lot." Tapos na agad. O Seika. Ingay ni Dara sa kabila. Okay, bye-bye viewers. See ya the next time around. Bye-bye. 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 Uy, tingin. Bye-bye.